Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. If you are facing an issue where your Android debug bridge, ADB, device list is empty, it usually indicates that your computer is not recognizing your Android device. This can be due to various reasons, ranging from improper USB connection settings to driver issues. Here's a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and fix the ADB device list empty issue when using USB debugging. Step 1. Check USB connection mode. 1. Connect your Android device. Use a USB cable to connect your Android device to your computer. 2. Change USB connection type. On your Android device, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification shade. Look for a notification related to USB options, example USB for file transfer or USB options. Tap on it and select File Transfer or MTP, Media Transfer Protocol. This is important because some devices do not allow ADB access unless they are set to the correct mode. Step 2. Enable USB debugging. 1. Open Developer Options. Go to Settings About Phone and tap on build number 7 times to enable developer options. 2. Enable USB debugging. Go back to Settings System Developer Options and turn on USB debugging. Step 3. Install ADB and fastboot. Make sure ADB and fastboot are installed on your computer. You can download them as part of the Android SDK platform tools from the Android developers website, https://developer.android.com/studio/releases/platform-tools. 1. Download and extract. Download the zip file and extract it to a folder on your computer. 2. Set up environment variables. Optional, add the path of the extracted folder to your system's environment variables. This makes it easier to run ADB commands from any command prompt. Step 4. Check ADB installation. Open a command prompt, Windows, or Terminal, Mac OS/Linux. You should see the version of ADB that is installed. If you see an error, you may need to revisit your installation steps. Step 5. Check ADB device list. 1. Connect your device and ensure USB debugging is enabled. 2. Run the following command in the command prompt or terminal. If your device is listed, you're done. If you see an empty list or unauthorized, proceed to the next steps. Step 6. Authorize your computer. If you see unauthorized, you'll need to authorize your computer on your Android device. 1. After running ADB devices, look at your device's screen. You should see a prompt asking you to authorize USB debugging from your computer. Tap Allow or OK. 2. Rerun the command ADB devices to verify that your device is now recognized. Step 7. Install or update drivers, Windows only. If your device still isn't recognized, you may need to install or update drivers. 1. Open Device Manager. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. 2. Find your device. Look for your Android device under Portable Devices or Other Devices. 3. Update Driver. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. 4. Install manufacturer's drivers. If you still have issues, download and install the specific USB drivers for your device from the manufacturer's website. Step 8. Restart ADB server. Sometimes, restarting the ADB server might help. Step 9. Try a different USB cable or port. Sometimes, the USB cable or port itself may cause issues. Try using a different USB cable or plugging it into a different USB port on your computer. Step 10. Check for software conflicts. Some software might interfere with ADB, like certain device management software. Close any such applications and try again. Conclusion. If you've followed all these steps and your ADB device list is still empty, there might be a more complex issue at play. Consider checking forums or the manufacturer's support for additional troubleshooting specific to your device. By following these guidelines, you should be able to resolve the empty ADB device list issue when using USB debugging.